Well, we got another toy. So we have a lot of undergrowth out here on the farm that is annoying, very annoying. Plus it grows over the paths, so it hits us when we're driving down with the Polarises. So I looked online and looked at some blades. This actually is a blade for your trimmer, which I've got a steel weed eater trimmer here. So it was very easy to take off the bottom half, and you mount this on it. It literally has a chainsaw blade on it, chainsaw teeth. It's called the Forester, and yeah, I'm scared to death of it. So let's try it out, and I've already nipped a couple little pieces and it goes right through it. So let's take a look at it in action.
It gets those little trees good.
So first impressions are, wow, 1 to 2 inch little trees and shrubs and anything, you can't even feel it. Goes through it like butter. So getting all the sticker bushes and helping to clean all the trails, and or cutting the new trails where we can just nip all the little trees to make a new trail, this is going to be an excellent benefit. So I'll give it an A+ so far. Let me work with it a day though, and that'll really be the test. Literally like they're not even there.
Watch your leg. Nice.
Well, I'll tell you what, I can't say any bad words about this new toy that we got. We like making trails through the woods, and here having some land, we do have to cut a lot of fence rows and things of that. And this Forester blade that goes onto my weed eater is a godsend for cutting the small saplings, thick briar bushes, small trees, nothing huge, but small trees up to 2 or 3 inches. This thing will go right through it. I mean, as you can see here, we started making a trail for the ATV on one of the sides of the farm over here, and without something like this, we would have been hacking at it with the machetes like we did when we first moved out here. And let's just face it, that was not any fun. So anybody who has an off-grid life, a farm, I don't really suggest this for grass because it is a saw blade, but it will take out all of the saplings, the sticker bushes, the briars and things like that, and also the what do we call it, vines. The vines that we have out here too. It just does a number on them. It's just no competition. It takes it right out. So we'll have a link for this down in the description. You can get it on Amazon. So click below. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, and we'll see you next time.